Below is an introduction to the basic operating procedures of the ET18 bending system. Click the number here to open the plate thickness settings window, where you can enter the desired thickness for bending the plate. Click Width to set the plate length. Click the upper mold icon to select it. Click the lower die icon to select it. You can set the finger here with options at Level 1, Level 2, and Level 3. Angle settings. Click to set the bending angle. X-axis settings. Click the icon to select internal or external size. R-axis settings of height. Distance settings for the two movable fingers on Z1 and Z2. Dwell time is the pressure maintenance duration. Retract means step back. Click the icon to enable the setting. Open height is the opening distance during the return trip. This is the compensation value automatically calculated by the system. Click the More icon for additional settings. Decompression is the slow return setting. Work progress, the slow down speed and distance. Ton is the setting for bending capacity. Clamping correction is the clamping point, which can be set to a positive or negative value for fine adjustment. Width, this is also the panel length setting. Bumping refers to arc bending. Change step is the time for switching steps. Bending mode include free bending, integer, flatten, bottom and bottom flat. Click the icon to return to the previous page. In the product interface, click New to create a new product. Click the graph mode, then enter the product name, plate type, plate thickness, and length. Click OK. In the graphical interface, click an endpoint to create a step, or click a number to set its length. Click a corner to set the bend angle. Click Step Setting to configure the number of bending steps. During the run, a 2D simulation of the bending state can be displayed. The simulated bending state can be displayed in 3D simulation. USB document import function. Connect the USB drive to the rear USB port of the system and select DXF lead. The system reads DXF files from the USB drive and displays them in the file list. Click to select a file, and the preview window will show the file content. Open this drawing in OpenDXF to view it in the system. Click 3D Simulation to perform a 3D demonstration of the file's bending state. The LED is the switch for the machine's lighting. Tap to turn it on or off. Oil is the oil pump switch. Clicking it turns the red indicator on. Click Start to begin the machine's recovery process. The program will run once the icon changes to OK.